In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox error code 277. If you're a Roblox enthusiast experiencing this error, rest assured, you're not alone. Let's work through the steps to get you back into the game smoothly. First and foremost, it's important to understand that error code 277 typically relates to network issues, often causing disconnections during gameplay. The most common solution is to ensure your internet connection is stable. Begin by checking whether you're connected to a reliable network. You might want to restart your router just to be safe. Simply turn off the router, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. After doing this, reconnect your device and try entering Roblox to see if the issue persists. Now, if you're using Windows, you can try running Roblox as an administrator. This step can sometimes resolve permissions issues that might be causing the error. To do this, right-click the Roblox application icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, and select Run as Administrator from the drop-down list. This simple action might solve the connectivity problems by granting Roblox the permissions it needs to operate without interruption. If running as an administrator doesn't help, consider changing your device's Internet Protocol version. This might sound complex, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Open the Control Panel and navigate to Network and Sharing Center. Then, click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active internet connection and choose Properties. In the list, look for Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4 and select it, then click on Properties again. Ensure that both Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are checked. If necessary, you can also switch to using Google's DNS for a potentially faster and more stable connection by manually entering preferred DNS server addresses as 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Sometimes, corrupted temporary files can lead to errors like this. It's a good idea to clear the Roblox cache. You can do this by first closing Roblox, then pressing Windows R, typing localapdata, and hitting Enter. Look for the folder called Roblox, open it, and delete all files in the folder. This will remove any corrupted cache files that might be causing the error. Finally, check to see if there's a more general issue with Roblox servers. You can visit Down Detector websites or the Roblox status page to see if there are widespread reports of server issues. If that's the case, you may just need to wait it out. I hope this guide proves helpful in resolving error code 277 for you. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Roblox support for more tailored assistance. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy gaming!